All right, guys, we are here today with another episode of Found It on the Internet, Bought It on Amazon. What do they have in store for us today, Uzi Walker?
Some kind of feet thing.
Some kind of feet situation. Look at that silhouette. He's just shredding, you know? And it looks like these are called kick speed.
Oh, that's the size I wear, 42.
Instructions. 1, unlock. 2, pop-up wheels. 3, retract. Really? Wow, look at that.
Maybe. This is the same exact one.
Are they?
Except mid-tops.
Oh, what? Okay, those are sick.
What is that? Oh, it's a light up?
Yeah, there's a charger.
No.
There's a charger.
This wasn't on the last one.
Like who is actually wearing these? Like what situation is someone gonna be dead serious and have light up wheel shoes?
Dan, Heelys are a massively popular company.
You underestimate things. I feel like it's a meme though.
This is sick. It smells like lavender.
They probably sold like 2 this month.
Doesn't
Gabe,
stink
what
when you
size
get
are these?
It should be 10s.
You see what I mean with having Gabe order stuff? It's
Size 42.
it's not his strong suit.
Gabe, you doing good. I'm looking fire. So you just like that and you just like.
Damn.
And then you're just like. Yeah, so you're just at the mall, right?
Hey. No, Aaron, show me how you'd pick up a chick wearing those.
Give me those.
Come on, let us see it. Oh, show us how you do it.
Let's say Nigel.
Let's say Nigel's the girl, all right?
Oh! It's so scary.
Imagine wearing these to the club.
You're like, hey, yo, Glow, you get my drink? Oh, don't worry, fool. I got you. Hold up. Me and my homie rolled up. Oh! Wheels on wheels on wheels. We got deals on wheels.
I've never seen you look more uncoordinated.
I know, I hate wheels on my feet. I can't even do Heelys. This is the definition of all-terrain vehicle right here, Gabe. What are we gonna do? Play a game of skate?
Yeah. Oh, wait, we're gonna have to take them off every time?
Oh, yeah, that don't work.
Let's shred.
Kick him against the wall.
Wow.
That's Steve though.
Hey,
Fire?
retractable roller skating skills unparalleled.
Unmatched. Putting them away. Rocket science.
He's like, just push him in.
No.
You think I can't?
I think you got it, easy.
Get these out of here.
Oh, you gotta get it.
The heel flip?
Yeah.
You get a good kick flip and a heel flip. Ow!
Rebate?
Rebate? Oh, you're right. It's about to get cereal right up in here. Redo?
JD, what are you talking about right now?
He put his foot like this.
I have no idea what you are speaking of.
Wait, how do you do it?
And then like my foot on.
I literally broke every bone in my sternum. Never give up, family. Okay, one more for the road. Get these things off the ground.
Let me see those.
What would you rate them?
1 out of 10.
No, what? What?
Because they're dangerous. They're deadly.
No, dude.
I would never.
Okay, would you, as a person who'd never skateboarded before, step on a skateboard and say, I give this a 1 out of 10 because it's dangerous and I don't know how to do it?
I would give it a 0 out of 10. I'm giving it a 1 just because I did a kickflip with the wheels inside.
That's fair.
Me and Mrs.
Jones!
If you can ollie down the 5, click your heels, and land on the roller skates, I'll give you $100.
What, first try?
I wish that I could do that.
5 tries.
There's literally no way.
Ricky did a flat ground kickflip, clack, and landed on the board with the roller skates.
That is Ricky.
But you are Nigel.
I know. I do flips.
If he,
Actually, he is really good at it instantly. Well, it looks kind of like a giraffe in the wilderness on ice skates in a roller skating rink who's drunk.
Oh, come on.
disrespecting the board.
Disrespect! You jumped the 5 on it?
Maybe.
I got 5
Yeah, hey, warm up though, warm up.
Oh yeah,
Get the warm up in.
Warm up.
Oh.
We need to have Be Free come back with these.
Yeah, you're right.
Let me tell you something. When I see you across the mall, all I wanted to do was put you in my arms and have you roll away with me, baby.
Is that the pickup line?
Aaron, I wish you just saw that.
I love when he gets on the rolls though. He just looks so fly.
Dude, you haven't seen me in them yet. Oh no. No.
We gotta mod these out with some grind plates in the middle.
Nigel, you're at like 50% boost of extra power with those on.
Maybe the boost is exactly what I need.
Oh my God.
Oh
No. No, you didn't.
no! This one rolls. Does it close? Oh no! No, damage report!
Oh, that happened last time too, right? Something like that.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my God.
Well, note to self, we probably shouldn't be taking these downstairs. I got it!
Yes, come on.
I got it! Oh.
You just don't need to close it anymore.
All right, oh, that one doesn't close, but...
Would you say that he's on a roll?
I would say he's definitely rolling in it.
I wish you would retract that statement. Boom, baby! Don't come at the pun lord, baby! Someone in the comments the other day said, Gabe's puns in this video were the worst they've ever been. And I replied and said, you mean best?
Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy.
You're good. You didn't need that third wheel.
Baby giraffe on ice skates.
That's what Aaron said about you when you were rolling.
Really?
Yes. Oh.
Dude, it's stuck.
No! JD! What did you do?
Are you serious?
God.
Oh, wow.
Dude,
That broke off. Wait, no, that didn't break off.
the
in there.
world's smallest wheels.
Look at the bearings on there.
knew it was
It
wrong.
did break.
You broke the metal?
The axle broke.
A skateboard?
No way.
Look at that little bearing.
Push this through.
Just a wee little guy.
You need to replace the whole axle though.
Yeah, maybe
No.
I can't get it out.
It has all the replacement stuff in it.
No, there's replacement axle. Oh! We're in luck.
Oh, yes, there's one.
I was gonna say something really mean about these, but I didn't want to be an axhole.
Hey, you know what's bad? Look at.
JD, that was good? That was good? Come on, put her there.
Dun, dun,
Good boy.
Ring, 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 ring.
I think it's only fair. You gotta throw them on.
Oh no. Uzi, please don't.
Don't roll, brother.
Uzi, Uzi.
And that was the last we saw of Uzi.
They barely roll.
Send it.
JD bodied them.
All right, well, want to light him on fire?
Sure just light Uzi on fire and send him down the hill.
Hey, this company, can you sponsor us to send us like 10 so we can have a race, like a derby, and then also play skate somehow? Leave it in the comments below.
What is this? How do you make them go back in?
If you do a kickflip like that first try, $40.
Nah, not first try. Any try.
No,
40 bucks.
that's not how it works. I'll give you 3 tries, $30. Deal?
Yeah.
Deal? 3 tries, $30.
I don't actually think it's even. Yeah, it's not possible.
Oh my God. Oh my.
I was trying to see if you could stand on
Dude, $30 on the line.
You can't stand on
30
There's
bucks.
no-
Aaron, match me. Match me.
I'll match him.
Match
There's
him.
no way to
60
land-
bucks, 3 tries.
There's no way to land on the board. Like that. No. That's not.
Did you see it?
I can't do a shove it.
Dude, 60 bucks. Come on, Dan, just try one.
It doesn't work, brother. There's no way to stand on the board.
You got it.
I can't stand on the board. You see do it all. Yeah. These are a death trap.